Tabamunyina akwa babiem efa emra bedwam so on Adom TV. Said there be a catch on ha and ensampa no ho. Ye ne beka ne se ne sivitie e de ama o. Efutuo wom, akwankyere wom, ensempapa enso ennem. Oman kwabna sante abeka eho ano pe. Oman boko de.
Well, eboko kasi say agenti eboko no kwan say any no uda denchem ne seboni or one chiribimu. You know, so if you don't navigate and swim well,
yeah.
You know, we are in a time people are envious and jealous, but they come to you with friendly faces.
Yeah.
So it's difficult to see through. Say nya me ne beka chro say akoya no na mi or ipa bonifo to hwe year. So I say ono beko abasa, you know, not all the sika no. Esi no gina wani say I know say because na why na aye osadi ya
ono na secretary sika.
Nti ono okọ atifi honom no akọhunu nsuo no na osadi mirika ba na afọ, you know, no osa be dey ne. Nti wi asena nkasa misrew and now osa akọ nka cameraman nsore emfa de nkatanity embitwa camera hood wi ase me catch obi obeka jo say wi ase da hokwa bia no misrew na odada o na okwa the man ye huni eso no pa and am to almost every blessed day omo eni omo koba obi ho wo chiao nyina onsam srade nyina no oje de ko enye onyame de be hu mobo pa ama na bofo ne di esia odiko usori ya no obi hu ye wahi keke eti won asem koto ba bia nipa ni nim ho hwe obeki kansem akasia to so just to stop your blessing ekoso. It is a wono showing us a uni nyami bia o kasama wa. I'm telling you, you'll be struggling in this world and you'll be out. Uni nyami bia o kasama. Obi ani ni nyame. Ye nyame ne de ono ontonko no akoda. O ye twedi ampo nyankopɔ ono na ado ho twere se a. Ohun se ampa odo ho atwere obotantim. Saa nyame no ana biribia da ye kamfo ma. It's not just the talking. It's experiencing God, knowing him and having a relationship with God. It's so important. Nyasa obi di 6. Ebe da no 9. No obi di fufuo. Ada no kwaye. Unima komampon kowe. So unima komampon na kowe.
Omade ba ko pedam nim.
Ah kachira ni
nipa nyanyame.
Onipa
enyenyame.
So that se ka chinchire no waka jo no.
Yes. Nipa nyanyame.
Di ende kram ye be say ka chinchire me man be 20. Odi aba say good father, good manner, and kanwa. Say our good sister. Na catching tray.
But I never compare them. So who knew obi hu adwembone ama nipa nye no beye. Nipa nye nyame.
Alright, so chobia. O hono nso to abedam ho de bia nso to. Baby a obutu ni se nso to amede bia nso to. Ndi se me ka mu air condition na me fie air condition me jai. Me ti amana no sisi. Nti bibia ye kama. O sure as you concentrate too much on cash. You know, people, if you go to Confor, not just here, if you go to a year, Rage 37 as far, you know, Obi TM say, no TM is not about the money. Money is there to pay, but apomudin onya. The first priority is your health. So, and kwanya apomudin, all the others will follow you. That's what I you struggle and get something to eat. Why not the action power say Ghana
Oberibo.
The obedi no wanya bi anida. You might not get exactly what you want, but unko come da. Ti be person me catch or let onyame ase that your priority, your health and your key. The others will follow suit and then issue. And some of the doctor the work at them they bring my online stories of him. I mean cause na kwa benada. Intika hunu say apomuden won komo honom, agokansi won komo ho, afia won se pe won komo honom. An ye besa de asemi dika e de abro akwasinsia ebesa atwamfo nyina chiro nyoma bia ekoso o man Ghana mu na me na say hia wa semedika so na afi ye de abro empezem no so e de abro 9:25 ye da was say otimi ye sha say from 5:45 up to this point nemom de hia pa me say na ye wi adwuma de edi Adom TV so na eguso ayekoso afi ne ma mienu e chisika biri biada ti kai say sika o betwa bi
star 281 hash.
That's it.
Star 281 hash.
That's it.
Select option 4. Fagumisa first 1,000 cedis. Eric Esedu Edebebro. na oman na wrap up another 1,000 Ghana cedis asane ye de bedwam ni nyina aba na wieye.
Daily Graphic in the Bashas, any man the chiefs can't renegotiate sold lands. Justice or say to two Nakasasia info. Omuni who quite back crowd. Sasia, no, ye JJ, my attitude, almost Babecas, yes, Sabani, and Mabel Sick, Debbie, only Saquaniano. Tell your Hinia, Patrosa, 2 minutes Aquaniano. Justice or say to two children, say, Ebia, Emrana, for an incordia, Koheni, because this Aquaniano. Ablekuma not violence. Police reviewing viral videos to identify culprits. Hey! Moment sem. Hayawasu we reviewed it. Talensi we review ye. Chereponi a review ye. Kumawu a review ye. And you want to see a review. Antiwa a review ye. But I won't be in review. We'll review and come back to nothing. Excuse me? That is how we have been treating ourselves as Ghanaians. Review. They be out here to be scapegoat. What's the now? No, they bam. The actors now can say, "Man yourself for no." On the job was reviewing. Sometimes you're asking, "A better than yet made this when we continue to do the old things, and our belief is that and your mother sister
justify everything with yesterday's course."
Anymore, 37,000 candidates write licentiate exams. And no crown minister can. August, you say this year, August was the next minister. I'm sure I stand to be corrected. Obitrim. Teacher for us, here now, I could school, we now, Sadia Bano, a month for be bringing in yard, be bringing in the yard, and also, but a fee or more, a nipa 37,000, and I chose a teacher for licentiate exams. Over the daily guide, and him Hanum Swa, hey, and then CBC Ghana. 962 small-scale mining licenses risk revocation. 962.
Small-scale mining licenses.
962. Till we are small-scale miner. On Kata and want to chill. BBS Otia. No. 962 small-scale mining licenses risk 1 year. Abanchi shebi or they go akwamene checks bi a o yebe hu anaka na fidi na you ni ajeokrata influence em eno ho asem e wa lance minister ama Kofi Boa and odi aba USAC threaten strike over Galamsey. Hey, Professor Jampo ko kan wana. Professor Jampo uboko kan wana. Itak for kase o there be a former goodie ayentu no ne kwan so afi de je ensem kura. It is a buy one finance your Kim. Yeah, I try for a year and you wish you upon moon. Hey, yes, you're because you're better. It's a no man to say. The same old cycle. They be a son, you know. You take for the best of Moko, a strike or Galam saying, they're with my own. I didn't know you taking them strike, you know. And the best I know. There be. And I know you're kind, Professor Jampo time. You can't strike me for so be any so. Say you tag at your chef was here because of Galamsey. We are going to suffer for nothing. Yes, for nothing. No more Munchiadi. One cassa you tag the moon himself, and you will never mad. You can't put pressure on any government on this matter. We are in Casa Ghana for no. We need to now come back. Say the president Akano, a national emergency. Our conscience should eat us up because President Kawina said, "Oh, we are party." Now we are national meeting. Now that's who to say now we now central. Now you're Juntuni. Obia o kasa adwumadie obia. Oh no na I say but these demonstrations and these strikes. Say now no Professor Jampo with time. You try fear ya kan say for so ni so we. You know. The same thing for so biama. So any market power farmer say Aniti who came to say this and now the same minister but different party Dr. Manebuama. Aban biama was the presidential jet no. Ewu if another car. In opposition, a lot was said. They've come to see the reality. The reality is that the presidential jet, according to the defense minister, is saying it's not in good shape. And who could hear say one day call France, and France them say experts because Ghana first one I put for the other call France could be 3 or 6 months. And to brace up yourself for jets are private jets are to quite normal. Can be a chirema montias, they be Adamu partisan, MPP, NDC, MPP. asem no wo ho se ma mo ya mpa ni sibra you better say so because no go say man pay to go for private jet. There's a reason for him to pick the private jet because idea on one ehwe ye wie mhye so Ghana yen wie mhye man pay to go na say there be going to be friend to kwan. Nti one say it here. You better reform sa now MPP no more reform sa NDC no more reform sa yen central for no so you try my dreams so I say we all MPP we all NDC but you come back and come see we've not solved the problem. We've not. We are not truthful to ourselves. We lack principle. We are not truthful. Our interest is dependent on where we stand. It is the MPP and also at the MPP baby and it is correct. The NDC and also NDC don't make me criticize they will come after you.
Yes.
That's how we are treating ourselves. But we are not Somalians. So the Queen say your jet na been for him there for say enye papa. It is who say man paying at the private jet to come baby on share that.
Enye boapayo.
On share that.
Enye so so man sika.
37-year-old nurse found dead. And I'm who's story me who dream. Any pay kum nipa did woo anyhow. Everybody oh mo bro no koso ntoye so. You pie kura na enye adwuma ketwa. Woni nipa di agro kura na woni nipa ni di agro. Enipa trim ayesum. Terani hu ye nyina mo botitu ye ma. Oh baby omo nam we have no idea.
We know estimate say so no and kun no as say.
Hey, Ghanaians to pay $250 extra for visa fee.
Yeah.
US visa.
Integrity fee.
Integrity. Any what of power?
Oh yeah. Say baby edu no crazy o me say. Ni America for pesa Ghana buy and ontimi nya. Say we better catch Ghana ni say wo msa ambre no krom na ne visa etaba so. So going forward ni say unya visited visa. Any other visa categories bia. You see unya visa ni we abetwa $250. Sika de to say rope to me ba. I think there's a refund.
Baby, you know, you move to 500 and $1,000 can give it to you.
80,000.
Oh my goodness.
And you see, it's like I said, my raising this, I know.
Pamucho, my money nyasema high. Obini odi komo, oyonko pa no. After the old boss for the bit to answer me anyway, you might say. The GD ewo mu no. Hwa na ehwa nkofo. Ebedu baby no. 250 no kwa no monji bi.
Omonji bi. O ma akwesi promo.
Kokokoko na wa.
Ahmeti.
Because you call us quickly now.
It's the say online the baby am started free baby the say we Ghana na say onya America B1 B2 visa any other visa categories B1 more or more less here under new Trump administration no also betwe be a integrity fee $250 but when for say she be say but say okona times now to me ba pepepa on sabe ka osika
250
When you got voice, they say
integrity.
Wow. Ghana's energy sector debt responsible for 86% of 2024 financial irregularities. And say o share a financial irregularities and peniforic record year 2024 a year over 100% of 2023. 2023 na irregularities na about say 8 billion. And you trim 18 kura and then so energy sector care on more a home contabu prakase and quite say 86%. 46% of army trainees risk withdrawal over eligibility requirement. In the defense minister also can see him as 46%.
Wow.
One they call asraf wanted to know. Almost how much more aduanan ensian e bia near to me and form.
That's the problem. It's a major problem.
Yes, it be an to me and far.
So how did he get enlisted and enrolled? How? 46.
Say ye be at one man also ke roll mo last year. And a banner o twem na ntimi anye. Say ni aba be see so man ntimi ankodo say sa do obi esika ma no. Ntimi an form de. And for say o man ntimi anya financial clearance no.
Things are falling apart. The center is not holding. You know, from time immemorial, we are building on a weaker foundation.
Let's not forget, they are trainees.
And you know what I'm saying? You're sharing in and your papa. Sharing your papa. Just sharing frustrated, disappointed, hate.
Yes.
Emma bitterness increase more. Oban share no.
Ato wa. FSC na ko ka se sika o sika twagum. Erika say do be first 1,000 Ghana cedis *281#. No select option 4. Twagum sa Erika ma 1,000 Ghana cedis. O man yin kwa plasa ten so be sani out. On person man so acho another 1,000. Tu hwe bedwam no na wo se nya emfa so prim. E wo so yakoi agode mu sem e na eto so. Bedwam nie e ba ise.